If you have these 4 fruits, you will get multivitamins and more. Oranges. Nutrients, benefits, juice, and more. Many types of oranges are high in fiber and beneficial vitamins, like vitamin C. They also contain antioxidants which can have various health benefits, including supporting immune function. If you're a fan of citrus fruits, you've probably enjoyed your fair share of oranges. Citrus sinensis, or the sweet orange, is the type people typically enjoy fresh and in juice form. Oranges are a treasure trove of nutrients and protective plant compounds, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Studies show that consuming oranges regularly may benefit your health in several ways. Enjoy the benefits of oranges. Health benefits of peaches. Peaches are low in calories. 100 grams just provide 39 calories and contain no saturated fats. Nonetheless, they are packed with numerous health-promoting compounds, minerals, and vitamins. Fresh peaches are a moderate source of antioxidants and vitamin C, which is required for the building of connective tissue inside the human body. Consumption of foods that are rich in vitamin C helps a person develop resistance against infections and helps to eliminate harmful free radicals that cause certain cancers. Fresh fruits are a moderate source of vitamin A and beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a provitamin, which converts into vitamin A inside the body. Vitamin A is essential for prevention of night vision issues and for maintaining healthy mucous membranes and healthy skin. Consumption of fruits like peaches that are rich in vitamin A are known to offer protection from lung and oral cancers. They contain many vital minerals such as potassium, fluoride, and iron. Potassium is an important component of cell and body fluids that help regulate heart rate and blood pressure. Fluoride is a component of bones and teeth and is essential for prevention of dental caries. Iron is required for red blood cell formation. Top 12 health benefits of apples. Apple is a magical fruit with numerous health benefits, some of which are: Number 1, helps keep teeth healthy and white. Apples won't be replacing your toothbrush, but swallowing and chewing an apple increases the production of saliva in your mouth, reducing the decaying of teeth and the number of bacteria. Number 2, decreases the risk of diabetes. Apple is filled with soluble fiber, which is the secret to stable blood glucose levels. According to a study, people who eat at least 1 apple a day are 28% less likely to have type 2 diabetes than those who do not consume apples. Number 3, keeps the heart healthy. Recent research has linked high soluble fiber consumption to a slower deposition of cholesterol-rich plaque in the arteries. The phenolic compounds present in apple skin like quercetin and epicatechin prevent buildup of cholesterol on the arterial walls, thereby aiding in normal blood flow. Number 4, prevents gallstone formation. Gallstones develop when bile in the gallbladder solidifies due to excess cholesterol. To avoid gallstones, doctors prescribe a high-fiber diet that includes apples to help you regulate your weight and cholesterol levels. Apples have a very high fiber content, making them one of the best choices for preventing gallstones. Number 5, beats constipation and diarrhea. Apples can help alleviate both the stomach problems of constipation and diarrhea because of its high fiber content. The pectin fiber in apples can either pull water out of your colon to keep things moving along or absorb excess water from the stool to slow down the bowels. Number 6, helps manage irritable bowel syndrome. Irritable bowel syndrome is marked by diarrhea, constipation, stomach ache, and bloating. Due to its high fiber content, apple serves to be a helpful resource for managing the symptoms. Number 7, good for weight loss. 2 qualities that make apple filling are high water and fiber content. Eating apples before a meal provides high satiety value that makes people consume fewer calories and keep the belly full, for maintaining a calorie deficit eventually leads to weight loss. Number 8, prevents hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoid is a condition referring to a swollen vein in the anal canal. The condition is not life-threatening but can be painful. It is caused by excessive pelvic and rectal strain. Intake of soluble fiber helps to relieve constipation, thereby reducing the strain. Apples go a long way in keeping the digestive system healthy, thereby relieving hemorrhoids. Number 9, detoxifies the liver. Your liver is responsible for eliminating toxins from the body. Most experts are suspicious about fad detox diets, suggesting they can do more harm than good. Luckily, one of the best and simplest foods you can consume to help detoxify your liver is a fruit, like apple. Apples are rich in polysaccharide pectin, a soluble fiber that helps in eliminating toxins and bad cholesterol from the body. Apples also contain a naturally cleansing nutrient called malic acid that removes toxins from the blood. Number 10 prevents cataracts. While previous research has been fragmented on this subject, recent long-term findings showed that individuals who have a fruit-rich diet, enriched with antioxidants, like apples, are 10–15% less likely to develop cataracts. Number 11 boosts immunity. Red apples are enriched with an antioxidant called quercetin. Recent studies have revealed that quercetin can help improve and reinforce the immune system, particularly when stressed out. This is one of the most surprising health benefits of eating apples. Number 12 guards from Parkinson's disease. Studies have demonstrated that individuals who consume fruit and other high-fiber foods such as apples could be safe from Parkinson's disease. This disorder is caused by a deterioration of the brain's nerve-producing dopamine cells. Scientists have also related this to the free radical fighting strength of the antioxidants found in apples. Health benefits of eating bananas. 1. Improve your blood sugar levels. Bananas contain soluble fiber that dissolves in liquid and forms a gel. Unripe bananas are also rich in resistant starch. These two fibers control your blood sugar level, especially after a meal. Though bananas contain high carbs, still, they don't enhance your blood sugar levels. Thus, bananas are also good for diabetes, but diabetic people should consume them moderately. 2. Good for your digestive health. Several medical studies have proved that fiber improves your digestion. Pectin, a fiber present in ripe and unripe bananas, prevents constipation and improves your bowel movements. Moreover, resistant starch in unripe bananas is prebiotics. Prebiotics accumulate in the large intestine. They are the favorite food items for your gut bacteria. 3. Help in weight loss. Though no medical studies have claimed this fact, still, bananas are weight loss-friendly food items. Bananas offer only fewer calories. One average banana contains only 100 calories. Moreover, fibers in fruits are beneficial in minimizing and maintaining body weight. Resistant starch in unripe bananas may lessen your appetite and give you a feeling of fullness. 4. Support your heart health. Potassium is the mineral that makes your heart healthy by controlling blood pressure. But scientific research has claimed that only a few people get adequate potassium in their daily values. You must be astonished to know that bananas are excellent sources of potassium. One medium-sized banana offers 10% of the DV daily value. To minimize your blood pressure, potassium plays a pivotal role. Moreover, several animal studies have also claimed that potassium minimizes up to 27% risk of heart disease. 5. Improve the health of your kidneys. Potassium is a prerequisite element in keeping your kidneys healthy. Bananas are excellent sources of potassium and thus, they are healthy for your kidneys. A study was conducted on 5,000 people who were suffering from early-stage chronic kidney diseases.